Hello friends, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I am Naveen and today I am going to show you how to create a WordPress website on Hostinger. To build a website you need two main things. Hosting, this is where your website's files will be kept. Domain name, this is how people will find your website on the internet. There are many hosting options available, but I recommend Hostinger. I've been using it for the last 4 years and most of my websites are hosted with them. Their support is great and they use AI to make things easier. You can buy Hostinger hosting by clicking the link in the video description. So if you click on the link given in the description of this video and purchase any plan, then log into your hosting account. Your dashboard will look something like this. Now that we have hosting, it's time to purchase the domain name. Domain name is the name of website by which it is recognized over internet. For example, Naveen Giri's website name is naveengiri.com. Hostinger's own website name is hostinger.com. Similarly, what will be the name of your website? How will people recognize it on the internet? For that, you have to purchase a domain name. You can purchase a domain name from an external source like GoDaddy or any other website. Because Hostinger also has this built-in functionality. So we will click on domains. Now we have come to domains. This is our Hostinger dashboard. And by clicking on domains, we have come to domains. If you have previously purchased a domain from a third-party software, you can transfer it here. Otherwise, you can get a new domain here by clicking on Get a New Domain. For example, if I want the domain bookstore in, I will search for it. And see that this domain is available for 3,309 rupee for the first year. After that, there are many extensions like .com, .net, .io, .org. .com is for commercial purposes. If you are starting a business with a commercial purpose, you can take .com. If you are opening an organization or NGO, you take .org. Similarly, every domain has its own standard name which identifies its category. This doesn't matter much, but still it is used as a standard. You can also use their domain name suggested AI tool, where if you give more details to the AI, it will generate a domain name for you. For example, if I say a website for showing information about books, and also do affiliate for book purchases and ask it to generate related domain names. The AI tool gives me many domain name suggestions like bookpediahub.com and others. Each has its own plan like 499 rupees for the first year for bookpediahub.com. So this is how you can use the AI tool to decide a domain name for your business. Now, if you have purchased a domain name, for example, I already have a domain name kitabonkahizab.in. So today I am going to use it to show you how to create a WordPress website if you have a domain name and hosting. So I will copy this domain name. Now I will go to the website section, click on add website, and it suggests a few other tools. You can migrate if you already have a website, or you can use Hostinger's website builder, which builds your website in a few steps. Since I am building a WordPress website, I will click on WordPress and this is an automatic installer. You don't need to install it manually. The host provides an automation tool that installs it automatically. Here it asks why you want to create this website for yourself, for business or for someone else. I said I want to create it for myself. Then I have to register a WordPress admin user. I created a password and entered the username as the email address. Now I click next. Then it asks what type of website you want to create. Since I want to create a simple blog website, I clicked on blog and then next. After that, it provides some pre-built themes and website options. I don't need any theme right now. I will build this website from scratch. I clicked on blank template. After that, it suggests me to activate some plugins. Since SEO plugin is necessary and contact form is also necessary for making the contact form, I choose to keep the all-in SEO plugin for SEO purpose and W forms. I clicked on next. Here I have to add the brand name and description. I will take the help of AI tool to auto-generate the description. Now I clicked on next. After clicking next, it asks me to choose the domain here. My domain is kitabonkahizab.in. I clicked on next. After clicking next, you can see that here this Hostinger automation tool is installing WordPress on my kitabonkahizab.in domain. Once this installation process is completed, our website will be up. So see friends, now our domain has been configured with WordPress. WordPress is loading here. If I click on this admin panel here, I will directly log into my WordPress just like this. So see friends, now I have also come to the admin panel of my WordPress, and if I go over it and click on the site in the next tab, then this is the front end of my website. When I log in with admin user, then this dashboard will appear to me like this. This is the admin dashboard. Now, if we talk about some tools of Hostinger, then there are many options in Hostinger. Now let's talk about a few Hostinger inbuilt tools like security. These tools will update you if they found any security bug in any active theme or plugin of the website. You will also get a performance tab where you can check speed and performance of your website. You can also set up CDN. It will give speed boost to your website. They already have an inbuilt CDN. You can enable it. You also get a malware scanner inside security tab. Using it, you can trace malware in your website code. They also have an inbuilt free SSL plan. You can enable it and make your website secure. You can also set up domain specific email address. For example, Naveen@kitabonkahizab.in. You can also set up subdomain and domain. You will also get an inbuilt cache and its setting inside advanced tab and cache manager. You can enable this inbuilt Hostinger cache. It will make your website faster than before. So this is how you can set up a WordPress website using Hostinger. I hope you learned something new today. We also provide WordPress development services. So if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to BuddyDevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We'll also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, BuddyDevelopers, for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.